Great. Hi, Rachel. I am Erica. Nice to meet you. I'm going to do a quick review of your author's craft analysis and let you know one of the things that I wouldn't have picked up had you not pointed it out, and then let you know something that I saw as well that maybe you didn't see. This is definitely an interesting activity, and I know when I was doing this with mine, it's kind of eye-opening when you're digging in. So I was looking at even just the first page, and I like that you quickly pointed out the use of similes and the use of prepositions. The similes I would have picked up on just because that's a focus that I work with fourth graders on. But the fact that you picked out the prepositions, kind of the repetitive prepositions being used, was a great thing that I would have overlooked. I also liked the multiple adjectives that you saw. One of the things that I noticed was on, I think this was page 3 or page 11 that you have on here of your book. And right here when it says click, 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 that's talking about the automatopoeia where the words are representative of the sound. And that is also repetitive up here at the top with the click, 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 and then click, click, click. So we're able to get kind of an auditory image of what the sound of the camera is making. So that was something that I saw as well. I really liked how you incorporated also the explanations down here, just to kind of explain what you were meaning. It looks a little neater than when I went through and was writing it all on the side of the paper. So I hope you found this helpful as well, and I look forward to your response.